Guys, we got another one. This is a screwdriver, two batteries, and a light. It's a really good deal. Big shout out to Daily Dose of Tools Facebook group at the Facebooks. You got the M12 12 volt lithium ion cordless quarter-inch hex screwdriver kit with M12 service and repair 700 lumen floodlights. You know, this has been one of my favorite lights to get because I want to get one of these. And just waiting for a deal. I'm probably gonna pick this up. This is a really good deal. The light by itself, it's over half of that. So yeah, definitely check it out. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. It's $128. Like I said, it does come with two batteries, a charger, and a case. This light, it has a powerful magnet, so definitely check it out. It says right there, it says 2.1 amp USB output. So this does have a USB output for the cell phones and tablets and stuff like that. 700 lumens of true view high definition output. You got 110 degree pivoting light head, mounts on multiple surfaces with the high strength magnet or keyhole slot. Fits all M12 batteries. So yeah, definitely check it out. You got 8 hours on 700 lumens, and you got 24 hours on 250 lumen. It says keep it, stick it, pivot, and then you got the smaller batteries there. As you guys can see, that's the screw gun. It's a really nice screw gun for the house. You know, keep it in the drawer, the kitchen drawer, in case you need to tighten up a screw or something around the house. Pretty good stuff, guys. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.